Thank you for checking out our product hunt. My name is Dan. I'm one of the co-founders of Squad, and today I'm going to be taking you through V1 of our product strategy tool that helps product teams be more outcome focused and aligned to both user and business needs. The goal for Squad is simple. We want to save you time and reduce all the administration that's involved in building product. We want to help surface the key opportunities that we feel your users are asking for and make sure everything you're building is building with a purpose and aligns to your KPIs. So with that in mind, let's jump in and explain to you what Squad's all about. What you're seeing in front of you is Squad taking all your product decision data and putting it into a single knowledge base. And then using AI, we're helping to guide you both your strategy, surface key insights, and automate a lot of the time-consuming and tedious tasks. Let's dive into a demo to showcase what Squad's all about. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is what we call the strategy canvas. The strategy canvas is your outcome-based roadmap. Here you set your core KPIs as well as the importance. So how important is this particular business metric to you? And you directly attach that business metric to an actual analytics event in your analytics platform of choice. So maybe using Amplitude, maybe using Google Analytics. And then what we do is using the knowledge base from the data we've aggregated from your platform, we then start surfacing different opportunities that relate to that outcome. So as you can see here, we're demonstrating for GrubGrab all the different opportunities that relate to both customer satisfaction and increasing orders. And then at the very bottom, you can also see different solutions that we have used AI to help come up with. And when a new piece of feedback comes in, whether that's internal via a mechanism such as Slack or potentially an external source of feedback, so Twitter, Typeform, wherever, we surface that in the navigation and then allow you to view that opportunity directly. And then what you're seeing here is what we call the opportunity details screen. The purpose of the opportunity details screen is to help surface more context about how that opportunity came to be, what the different sources of feedback were that made up that particular opportunity. In this case, the opportunity is to have a more diverse food menu. Our users have been constantly requesting more options for food based on the feedback that we've aggregated. And then here you can also choose the different status of that particular opportunity. So this allows you to constantly track if you've actioned it, if it's gone into planning, or if it's not something you want to particularly prioritize at this time. And then what we've also done is using AI, we surface potential solutions to this. Now, this doesn't mean we solve it for you. Again, we're guiding you through this journey. So all we're doing is giving you a couple of suggestions, outlining what the pros and cons could be for this particular solution, such as different menu expansion initiatives or maybe a customized recommender system. For this case, we're going to choose the limited time menu specials. And then what you see here is we then go through to something that we call the solution detail screen, which is where you start producing your product requirement doc or one pager. And so using AI, we're helping you think about a potential good way of solving this problem, aligning it to different metrics and also coming up with different hypotheses for this. So eventually you could think of this as like an experimentation plan. You're coming up with your bet, you're deciding exactly how the solution should look. Here you can feed into this as well. You can make changes to the metrics, etc. And then once you're happy with that and you think, yep, this is capturing all the requirements, then we can start iterating on this and producing the requirements for your engineering team, which is what you're seeing happening right now. And so here we're just making slight tweaks to the requirements. And then what we've done is said, okay, we're happy with this. Let's produce BDD and then let's send it to Jira. And then what we've demonstrated through this whole workflow is you've gone from an opportunity that aligns very strongly to an existing KPI or something that's important to your business. You've then iterated on a solution and what that one pager could look like. And then you've written the requirements for your development team and sent it to a platform such as Jira to action. All of that in literally 3 minutes. Pretty impressive.